As it says on the thumbnail, this is a 12-minute low impact full body cardio workout at home. It's a really lovely routine. You are going to be glowing in just 12 minutes. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a preview of the first move. We start off where we're just doing these heel taps either leg, then you tap the foot behind. So this is going to be exercise 1. It's also a lovely way to warm up. So let's get ready, lift the leg up, either leg, now tap the foot behind. And simply just keep repeating this. We're going to do this move for a duration of 50 seconds. And on the left where it says move 1, that is your countdown clock. For each exercise, you've got 12 different ones today. So just tap the inside of that leg as you lift that up. So this one here, we're working through loads of different muscles. Think about how many joints we're using. We're working your ankle joint, knee joint, hip joint, shoulder joint and elbow joint, and that's how we're working multiple muscle groups with every single exercise we're doing today. That's good, and nearly finished on that first move, and well done. All right, you just march out. Let me show you the second move. So for this one, we're going to do a slight little bend and then come up to a kick. So the key thing here, just make sure we don't let the knees come over the line of the toes, and then just give me that kick. So it's a bend and a kick. So I need to work on my balance and kick. So just slight bend, and this is going to really help to strengthen through your lower body. And these sort of exercises, they get you stronger in ways that really help with everyday life, from just lifting, climbing stairs, carrying bags, standing for longer. So it's what I call really functional strength training. That's good. And again, just give me that kick. So we're nearly finished on that move. And just always just that slight little bend as if we're just sitting down, then up to a kick. And well done. All right, let's have a look at move 3. So this is a new fun one. We're going to imagine we're climbing a rope, but we're going to lift the leg either side. So it's good for your coordination, this one. So imagine we've got an invisible rope and just lift the leg. We're doing that for 10 counts. Now just give me 10 power punches up to the ceiling and just keep repeating that sequence. So what I wanted to do in this workout is so we can burn maximum amount of calories, get fit and strong in just 12 minutes. This is why we're working so many different muscle groups. If you find the coordination hard with the arms, just focus on the leg move. Good. And then again, just punch those arms up, and because we're keeping your arms above heart level, this is how I'm really helping to improve your heart health as well. And last 10 power punches up to the ceiling, and well done. All right, so next move is a little side step with a real deep bend, and then the biggest arms that we can create, make those big arm circles. So again, a really lovely big dynamic move, and all these are also weight bearing movements, so this is going to really help to increase your bone density, and this also just really helps increase our muscle mass as well. And the benefit of all these moves, because what I want to do in every single one of these full body moves is really help to just really get as many muscles working as possible. And that's how we're going to really supercharge and boost your metabolism. All right, that's good. And nearly finished on that one. And well done. All right, march out. Let's have a look at move 5. So this one here, we're going to alternate with doing power kicks to knee drives. We're going to do sets of 4 of each. So give me a kick, 3, 2, and 1. Now drive that knee up as you pull the arms down, and just simply keep repeating that sequence. And this is also going to really help improve your insulin sensitivity, because exercises like this help your body manage blood sugar more efficiently. And if you're not already, definitely come and find me on LISS Squad. We have the loveliest community. We've got a private page, no, private group, as well as the public page. So do come and find us. All right, that's good. And just keep giving me those power kicks. And remember why we're here. We're getting fitter, we are getting stronger, and we're having fun, all from, guess what, the comfort of your own home. And well done. All right, I don't know about you, but I am glowing. So let's have a look at the next move. So this one, we're just going to step out to the side, aim to take the fingertips down towards the ground. And so then let's just reach over. Now push the hands in front and just keep laterally just going from side to side. And this one here, I wanted to really work on enhancing your balance, because these moves really are involving your core, your legs. So the balance is really just helping just to increase that, because balance is something we lose as we age. So that's why it's really important to have exercises that help enhance that. That's good. And just keeping that going, doing really well. So we travel that foot across. Whoops, there we are. I forgot the coordination. And push those hands in front. But this is where it's really good, because I am challenging your brain as well with these coordinated moves. And well done. All right, so we are well over halfway. Now we've got another new move. Now this one, we do pull down arms and then a kick. So let's take the arms up. So we're going to kick that leg and it's out towards a slight angle. And we're just doing 4 on each leg. All right, that's good. And just kicking that leg up, pull down the arms. So again, this one here is going to really also help improve your posture, because we're really strengthening through your core, your back, your hips, and also your shoulders, as well as your legs. That's good. And do have a think about all these new moves and let me know in the comments down below if you like them, so they can appear in new workouts moving forwards. All right, that's good. And it doesn't matter how high you kick the leg, even if it's just a slight lift off the floor, it's just about trying to do that move and making your body stronger. Okay, so let's have a look at the next move. This one now, we're just going to alternate with the arm move to where we take the arms in front, double arm, and now just push. So double arm and then push. And as we always say, exercise is incredible to really boost our mental health, because exercise really helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and it can also really just help with symptoms of depression through hormone regulation. All right, that's good. Take that double arm and then push that hand in front, tapping those arms out. So we are flying through this workout. So whenever you've got a spare 12 minutes at home, just come and press play with me and let's just focus on improving your future health. That's good. And well done. All right, let's just march out. So next move, we've got a nice new fun one here. We're going to do this side step, but we're imagining we've got a ball here and we're going to smash it down to the ground. So push that down really hard. And this is a great thing, you know, we can work so many muscles instead of just doing isolated moves like the plank where you're just holding. Instead, we want to be up, being active. Then we're working your heart health. We're strengthening all the muscles around your body as well. And these exercises, I call these all compound moves because we're working multiple muscle groups at once. And the great thing is that's why we don't need to do the high impact. All right, that's good. Keep going. So imagine we're pushing, smashing something down really hard. And well done, you've completed move 9. So let's have a look at the next move. This time we're just going to do a mix of doing power kicks and punches. So just give me those power punches and we'll go for doing 10, and then just give me 4 leg kicks and then back to 10 power punches, and really punch as fast as you can. Then give me those 4 power kicks. And also, as I always say, just take a moment to be so grateful and say thank you to your body right now. Just appreciating if you are able to do these exercises, you've got so much to be grateful for. We put too much pressure on focusing on how we look. How we look's not the issue, it's how we feel and how our body acts. It's about our health. All right, that's good. And again, strong power punches for me. And let's just finish off with doing those kicks. All right, so for the last two moves, they're going to be a bit more ab focused. All right, so we're going to do a bit of cardio for the abs. And we're going to start off with doing this knee crunch. So knee comes up, opposite elbow to knee. So here we're really working a bit more through into your internal and external obliques, really working through your waist. Draw that opposite knee over towards the elbow. And if you're not already, do hit the subscribe button and the bell just so you get a notification every time I post up a workout, because I also post up blogs and little short videos, so there's something to always keep you moving and motivated. All right, doing really well. And let's just keep that going. Last little bit for move 11, then we're going to be on our final exercise of this workout. So let's have a look at move 12. So move 12, last exercise, we're going to be in a split stance and we're just going to do that runner's sprint. If you struggle a bit with balance, place one hand by a wall and just drive that knee up. And just imagine you are sprinting, but we're taking that same leg back. As I said, use a wall for balance if you need to. Halfway through, we're going to change legs and really embrace that core. Really use your core. This is your kind of anchor of strength. Okay, that's good. And now just take that to the other leg, drive that knee up. We're getting fitter, getting stronger, and we've nearly finished today. And then what I would say is we're just going to take a quick water break and then we're going to do a quick stretch. Stretching's really important. So last little bit, let's keep going. Drive that knee up. And well done. What I want you to do now, it's important, don't just stop straight away, just march on the spot. Let's just get that heart rate back down just to your pre-exercise state. And then, as I said, it's important, keep hydrated. You can grab some water. So we're now going to do your stretch. And this is really important, just to help realign the body. So let's just go straight away for that calf stretch, just see where the arrows are pointing. And the point of stretching helps realign your body. It's also really good for your flexibility, prevents injuries. Don't know, but let me know in the comments down below if you are glowing. And let's now take that to the other leg. And again, just feel that stretch through that calf muscle. Make sure both feet are pointing forwards. And now let's just do that hamstring stretch. Hands are on the bent leg. Just feel that through the back of the upper thigh. And let's take that now to the other leg. And do focus on drawing the toes up because that really helps to intensify that stretch through the hamstring. And well done. All right, so for your quadricep stretch, we're going to take hold of the foot, feel the stretch through the front of your thigh. If you find that uncomfortable, you can always do the stretch in the top left where you're just like in a lunge position. And then you just push the hips forward. So you step kind of into a lunge and then tilt the hip forward. And that really stretches through the hip flexors, the upper part of the quadriceps as well. And well done. Let's bring those arms in front, really separate through those shoulder blades. And do let me know in the comments down below just how you're getting on your health journey. As your qualified online trainer, that's what I'm all about, helping you feel your best. And just feel that stretch through the front of your chest. That's good. And then just take that arm up. Let's just get a lovely tricep stretch. Just try and get those fingertips down between your shoulder blades. And then let's take that to the other side. And there we go. So whenever you've got a spare 12 minutes, this is an easy workout that you can do at home. So well done. There is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done right now is invest in your future health and always say, yes, I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.